Hello friends, today we will solve this given equation which is cube root of 1 plus x plus cube root of 1 minus x is equal to 2, and we have to find the value of x from here. So I will solve this question with two methods. So in the first method I will apply cube on both sides. So it will be cube root of 1 plus x plus cube root of 1 minus x, and its cube, and it is equal to 2 cube. And we know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. So I will apply this identity here. So it will become a cube, so it will cube and cube root will be cancelled out, and it will be 1 plus x plus b cube. So it will be 1 minus x plus 3 times ab. So I can write it as cube root is common, so it will be 1 plus x times 1 minus x times a plus b. So it will be cube root of 1 plus x plus cube root of 1 minus x, and it will be equal to 2 cube is 8. Now this x and x will be cancelled out, and it will be 2 plus 3 times cube root of, it will be a plus b, a minus b form. So it will be 1 minus x square, and we know that it is the same as given equation, and it is equal to 2. So I will replace this with 2, and it is equal to 8. I will take this 2 to the right hand side, so it will be 3 times 2 times 6 times cube root of 1 minus x square is equal to 8 minus 2 will be 6, dividing 6 on both sides, so it will be 1. So cube root of 1 minus x square is equal to 1. Now to remove this cube root, I will apply cube on both sides. So this cube and cube root will be cancelled out, and from here 1 minus x square is equal to 1. When I will solve this equation, it will be 1 minus 1 is equal to x square. So from here x square will be equal to 0. Okay, we have to find the value of x, so I will remove this square, taking square root on both sides, so x will be equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 0. Now I will solve this question with another method. Second method is, if I will take this as a and this term as b, so it will be a is equal to cube root of 1 plus x, and b is equal to cube root of 1 minus x. From here a cube will be equal to 1 plus x, and b cube will be equal to 1 minus x. So here we have two equations. If I will add these two equations, this x and x will be cancelled out, and a cube plus b cube will be equal to 2. And we know that if it is a and it is b, then a plus b will be equal to 2. And we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Now we know that a plus b is 2, and a cube plus b cube is also 2, so it will be 2 is equal to 2 times a square minus ab plus b square. Dividing 2 on both sides, so a square minus ab plus b square will be equal to 1. Okay, so here we have another equation. as a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 1, and we know that a plus b is equal to 2. If I will find the value of b from here, which is equal to 2 minus a, and substitute this value of b here, so I can get the value of a as b is 2 minus a, so it will become a square minus a times 2 minus a plus 2 minus a whole square, and it is equal to 1. Similarly, you can find the value of a in terms of b and can substitute here and find the value of b first and then find the value of a. Okay, so when I will simplify it, it will become a square minus 2a plus a square, and it is the form of a minus b whole square, so it will be 4 plus a square minus 4a is equal to 1. Okay, so this a square, and this a square will become 3a square, and negative 2a and negative 4a will become negative 6a. This 4, and I will take this 1 to the left hand side, so it will be plus 3 is equal to 0. Here we have 3 is a common factor. When I will take 3 is common, so it will be a square minus 2a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have our quadratic equation, so I will solve it by grouping or factorization. So it will be a square minus a plus 1, because minus 1a multiplied by minus 1a will be 1, and minus a will be minus 2. That's mean product is equal to 1 and sum is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. From these two terms, I have a is common, so it will be a minus 1, and from here negative 1 is common, so it will be a minus 1 is equal to 0. A minus 1 times a minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it can be written as a minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. By taking square root on both sides, a minus 1 will be equal to 0, and from here a will be equal to 1. But we have to find the value of x, and we know that a is equal to cube root of 1 plus x. So when I will substitute the value of a here, so it will be 1 is equal to cube root of 1 plus x. When I will apply cube on both sides to remove this cube root, it will give us 1 plus x is equal to 1. So from here we can get the value of x, which is 0. So in this method we have also x is equal to 0. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.